And here I am now with the chickens, sheltering under this shelter that Keena made. Time now is 10 to 2 on Friday, November the 4th, 2011. This morning I've been to Newport, and Keena now has gone over to Newbridge in the car to get a bag full of sawdust because they've just phoned her. I'm sat in here waiting for the rain to ease off, then we'll all go outside to play, girls, isn't it, huh? It eases off and then it comes heavy again. But we had a torrential thunderstorm yesterday afternoon, around about 4 o'clock-ish. And me and Keena were putting the chickens by and we got absolutely soaked. Absolutely soaked. I think these old chickens know that it's easing off.